Megan, the bird that was fearful of heights. Hey, you're a bird. Just jump and flap your wings.
I'm so high up.
I know, we're in a tree. Come on, you can fly in the sky.
I like the ground way down there.
Your wings will carry you so high.
I'm so high up.
I know it's a long way down, and you're fearful of hitting the ground. But trust me, you will fly
Way up, soaring high in the sky.
Look, sweetheart, Daddy is telling you the truth. You will fly high above all the clouds, above the world.
I like the world down the way down there.
Come on, sis. It's okay to be frightened. I was. When I first jumped, I just closed my eyes and flapped my wings as fast as I could.
Just like you. He was frightened too.
I know it's a long way down, and you're fearful of hitting the ground. But together, we both will fly, soaring so high in the sky. You see, darling, every year we fly south. We don't want to have to leave you in this tree while we fly away for the whole of the winter. You don't want that, so you're gonna have to learn to fly. But don't worry, you'll be fine.
Just hush up and watch. Little Megan is going to do her very first flight. Go on, Megan. You can do it. I did it! I did it! I'm flying!
Daddy! Mommy!
Look at me! I'm flying!
Well done, Megan!
Well done!
All I had to do was believe in myself.
All you had to do was believe in yourself!
I told you! That was the end of her fear of heights. She was so happy.